Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can send a disappearing photo on WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp. Okay guys, so open WhatsApp. Go to the chat you want to send this disappearing message. Okay, tap on this plus icon and let's send a picture from camera roll. You can take a picture from your camera also, no problem. Okay, let's browse a picture. This will work on video also and only text also. So once you select a picture, on the bottom near the send button you will see this one icon. You just have to tap there. Okay, then hit next. Okay, and you sent a disappearing message. Now let me show you how it will work. Okay, I received in my other number. Okay, I received like this. Now if I tab, okay, so I'm screen recording, so I can't see this one. Anyway, this will work like this, and once it open, they can't open it again. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can send a disappearing photo on WhatsApp. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.